Welcome back students. In this tutorial I am going to teach you Python conditional statement. So Python is one of the leading programming language nowadays. Python used for the web application development, for software development, for mathematical purpose, all in area we use the Python programming language. So from this chapter we have to learn use conditional statement in Python. So what are the conditional statement like if else, then if else if, nested if else. So all these conditional statement we have to learn. Then use relational operator in program. So what are the relational operator like equals to, then and, or, not. So these are the relational operator we have to discuss. Then identify and use of different types of conditional statement. So what are the conditional types and what is the use of this, all these things we have to discuss. Then use logical operator in program. So how to use the logical operator in program, in this we have to learn. So see the introduction part of Python programming language. See, Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. So see, so Python programming language released in 1991, and this is the programming language. So what is meant by program? Set of instruction we can call program, and this collection of set of instruction is called the software. So software means the collection of program, and inside the program there is number of instruction. So Python is the programming language. Why we use the Python programming language? See here, for web development, means by using this you can develop web application or website, or we can create web page. So what is difference between web page and website? So web page means the smallest area of the websites. For example, you have notebook. Okay, in the notebook you have collection of pages, so then you can call this is the notebook. So collection of pages is called notebook. Same collection of web pages is called website, and a single page you can call web page. So see here, so Python we have to use web development, then software development for developing the software, like whatever the software we are using in our computer or in our mobile. So that also we can develop using the Python programming language. Then mathematical some operation we can perform using the Python. Then system scripting. So what is meant by system scripting? Means, see, computer don't know human language. We give instruction, that instruction will convert it into machine language, and that machine language code is written inside the system scripting. So this is the concept. So this is the introduction part of Python. Then see the most important part. So how to use the Python programming language? So for that we have to download and install IDLE. So see here, so what is meant by IDLE? So Python integrated development and learning environment. So what is meant by IDLE? Integrated development and learning environment. It is used for creating and executing program. It can be used in two ways, by using interactive interpreter prompt or by using source file. Means there are two ways you can use the IDLE. So directly you can use the source files, means coding directly you can use with the IDLE. So see here, so how to open IDLE software in your system. So first of all you have to download it. So how to download? Simply use this www.python.org.download. This is the website you have to use to download this one. Then see, once we download it and once we open the IDLE, it will look like this. So see, this is the Python shell and this is the Python program. So using file, and when we open new file, so this screen will appear in front of you. So here you can write down the program, and when you run the program you will get the output here. So how to run, how to install this software, means IDLE Python software, we will discuss in next tutorial. Thank you.